Good morning, Thomas.
Good morning, Omar.
Let me speak Arabic a little bit. توماس صديقي صديقي من أول ما جيت لأمريكا. أنا وياه علاقتي عن تقريبا أكثر من 3 سنوات. دائما أسأله عن أمريكا. هو عايش عدة ولايات هواية كثيرة وعنده معلومات هواية عن أمريكا. I tell them, Thomas, I have with you friend like over 3 years. We work together, and then you have a lot of information about U.S. America. So, Thomas, can you tell me about what difference between Washington D.C.
in Washington State?
and Washington State? A lot of people from my country, they ask me about that question. Can you tell me, please?
Yeah. The difference between Washington D.C. and Washington State.
All right.
We're going to begin with Washington State. Washington State is a one in the 50 state in this country.
Let me tell them. يقصد يقول انه اكو فرق بين واشنطن ستيت وواشنطن اللي هي ولاية واشنطن وواشنطن دي سي اللي هي العاصمة. يقول واشنطن ستيت هي ضمن 50 ولاية. Okay, continue.
The Washington State located in northwest Pacific northwest of United States.
Okay.
Pacific Northwest, including another state named Oregon.
Oh, okay. North Oregon.
North Oregon. Those two states is not the Pacific Northwest.
Okay.
That's a big difference between Washington State and Washington D.C.
All right.
Washington D.C. is where the president lives.
Okay.
And they divided the piece of land from Maryland.
Oh.
From Virginia.
They cut land from Maryland and Virginia. Okay. Yes.
To create the state.
Yes.
To make it become the capital of United States.
Okay.
That's where the president lives.
I think it's that's happened in 1790.
1790.
90, yes.
That's where the president lives.
When the president
for 4 years.
4 years. Okay.
Or 8 years, depend.
Or if it take another 4 years.
Another 4 years.
Okay.
We live there for 4 years or 8 years. After that,
yeah,
the president going home.
I heard if president like Obama, when Trump come, it should be Obama stay 2 years or 1 year stay live in Washington, because maybe Trump want to ask him about something.
No. Is it by choice?
Oh, choice. Okay.
By choice. It's by choice. The president never live in Washington D.C. after they leave the office.
All right.
They go back home.
All right.
That's why George Bush, father and son.
Yeah.
Soon they finish. They go back to Texas.
Oh.
They move back.
All right.
It's the same way for Nixon.
Yeah.
He went back to California. The same way like Jimmy Carter. He went back to Georgia.
Like Clinton too.
Like the same way with Clinton.
Yeah.
He go back to New York.
New York, yes.
The same way with Trump too. When he's finished.
Back to Tennessee?
No, Trump.
Yeah.
Trump back to New York. He's from New York.
Oh, he's from New York. Okay.
He's from New York.
He was born in Tennessee, I think.
No, he born in New York.
Oh, all right.
He born, raised in Queens, New York.
New York, okay.
He will go back to New York, or he go back to his mansion in Florida.
Oh, his ranch? Okay.
His ranch.
Yeah.
So no president never stay
in Washington,
D.C. In Washington, D.C.
Yes.
It's Obama is the first one stay there for 2 years because he wants his daughter to finish high school.
Oh, finish high school. That's why. Okay.
That's the reason why he stayed there for 2 years.
Okay.
He don't want to move her daughter.
Yes.
From Washington to go to another school.
Okay. Can you tell me about what do you mean Washington D.C.?
Washington D.C.
Yes.
Washington D.C. is after they divided take piece parts of the land each
From Maryland.
From Maryland, from Virginia.
Yes.
they created the capital. They created the capital, Washington D.C. But is a district.
District Columbia.
District of Columbia. District of Columbia. That's why they call him.
1 minute. هنا يقصد District of Columbia، مقاطعة كولومبيا اللي هي مستقطعة من ميريلاند، ولاية ميريلاند وولاية فيرجينيا، فكونت واشنطن دي سي. واشنطن دي سي not state. واشنطن دي سي ليست ولاية. واشنطن دي سي هي عاصمة، مدينة يقطنها تقريبا 700,000 إلى 800,000 نسمة. How many population for Washington DC?
This is 700 plus. 700,000 plus.
Plus.
But more people coming every year.
Yeah.
They do the census every 10 years. For now it's 700,000 plus. Maybe it might be more.
More, yes.
After, because they do the census every 10 years to know the population. How many people live in each state?
Yes.
Each district, each area. So they do that 10 years, every 10 years. So they soon do that again. That way we know it might be increased from 700,000 plus, probably might be 800,000 plus.
So which important power in Washington DC?
Washington DC is a powerful place.
Oh, for all world.
For the whole world.
Yes. Yeah.
Because that's where the president lives.
Live, yeah, in White House.
In White House.
Yeah.
That's where the Congress there.
Congress there.
Both chamber.
Yeah.
That's why the Supreme Court there.
International Bank.
International Bank.
Yeah.
All those power.
All power there.
That's where they are. All those decision take from there.
Yeah. All decisions.
From Washington.
Yes, exactly.
If you want to blow the whole world, everything coming from Washington.
Come from that place.
From that place, from Washington DC.
Yes.
You might see the small place.
Yeah.
But
it's very small, yeah.
It's a powerful place.
Yes, powerful. Yes.
It's a powerful place.
Yeah.
So very important. So we have no governor.
No governor in Washington DC.
We have no senator. We only have one. It's not congressman or congresswoman.
No.
It's a one representative for that district.
Okay.
That's what we have. That's it.
يقصد انه ماكو. واشنطن دي سي هي عاصمة اكثر مكان بيها قوة سياسية. معظم او كل القرارات السياسية اللي تخص امريكا وتخص العالم هي تنطلق من البيت الابيض، الوايت هاوس او الكونغرس. وواشنطن دي سي ما عندها محافظ جفرنر، وما عندها سيناتور، وما عندها ممثل سيناتور. عندها إلا بس ممثل بالكونغرس، ممثل واحد. وعندهم مير اللي هو يقصد عمدة، بس ما عنده السلطة والقرارات القوية لأن الكونغرس أعلى من عنده. ف يعني هاي المدينة هي واشنطن دي سي أو العاصمة، هي مدينة سياسية يغلبها الطابع السياسي، بها البنك الدولي والبيت الأبيض والكونغرس ومعظم الأماكن السياسية. أتمنى ينال إعجابكم هذا الفيديو. Thank you Thomas. Thank you.
You're welcome.